Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to go over the top 3 Microwork sites that we have today. Before we go ahead and get started, I want to ask that you hit that like button down below and you subscribe to my channel for more ways to learn how to work online. And let's go ahead and get started. Site is Clickworker. I enjoy this site because I can just go in. I don't have to talk to anybody. I don't have to make phone calls. I don't have to send emails. I don't have to do any of that stuff. I just go in and I do the little tasks that they ask, and it's mostly copy and paste jobs on here. It's really straightforward. It's simple. You just follow each step in the guidance. It'll tell you, a lot of them are like, okay, go to Wiki org charts, or go to Google, or go to Bing and search this phrase, search this person, search, whatever, and then copy and paste the URL, copy and paste, how many people work at the company, or whatever the next question is. You just go through. It's a really easy way. If you've never worked online before and you're wanting to get familiar with the technology of it, with just sitting in front of your computer and working and things like that, this is probably the best site to start with, just to get your feet wet and get in the door. The next site is StreetBees, and StreetBees does have an app that you can use. Let me go ahead and show you. So it looks like this. It's really straightforward. It's really easy. Some of it is like, go take a picture of your local market, or go take a picture of the ice cream aisle at your grocery store, or take a picture of your coffee maker, or how you make coffee. So this is like crowdsourcing at its best, and it's really easy to do. It's not very difficult at all. I enjoy it, and you could do it from anywhere, whether it's from your phone, from your desktop, however you want to use it. It's up to you. And they just gather all this data, and then they give it to companies. So they have lots of major companies. If you see here, BBC, Pepsi, L'Oreal, Bloomberg. They have tons and tons of different customers that are asking for all of this data and all of this information. And like I said, it's just small tasks. It's nothing major. It's not writing a blog about something. It's not creating your own business or anything like that. So this is another really good one to start learning to work online. Or if you want to work online but you don't want to do marketing, you don't want to start your own blog, you don't want to start your own YouTube channel, you don't want to do things like that, you just kind of want to work in the background, this is a really great way to start doing all of that. Third one is Amazon Mechanical Turk, otherwise known as MTurk. There's a lot of micro jobs on here. This one's really cool. But what I recommend is going from ClickBank to StreetBees up to Mechanical Turk. It does take a little bit more in the qualification area to get into MTurk than it does to get into Clickworker or StreetBees. But I would go ahead and move up the ladder. If you want to do all three, if you're already comfortable with working online and you're wanting to work in the background, you just need some extra money here and there, go ahead and sign up for Mechanical Turk and get started. Again, it's just micro jobs, small jobs that they can't have an automated process do, because with automated process, things slip through the crack, or a lot of it is they want to make sure that their automated process is doing the right thing, so they have people check up on it and make sure that it's there, it's right, and if there is any errors, then they can go back and fix it, which is really cool. Go ahead and get started with these 3 sites today. I would recommend starting with Clickworker first, as it's the easiest to get into and it's the easiest to follow. Work up to Street Bees, and then go ahead and get into Mechanical Turk. If you want to start all three all at once, that's really great too. So I want to thank you for watching my video today. If you wouldn't mind going and hitting that like button down below, subscribe to my channel for more ways to work online. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.